Welcome back to your home garage, and in this video we'll reveal day 18 of the Wera Advent Calendar. Last time we opened the 1/4 inch bit extender. Now let's see what's behind number 18 as we move through the numbers 1 to 24, which represent the days in December before Christmas. And what we have is the number 6 by 25 hex bit. Now don't forget to tune into the next video to reveal day 19. So make sure you help to keep this channel going by hitting that like button, sharing this video with a friend. Also, please comment below as I reply to all. Plus, don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time on your home garage.